The Hiligaynon word bisita means visitor, guest, to visit, pay a visit, call upon, go to see, examine, or inspect. Madamo ang mga bisita sa balay karon. That means there are many visitors in the house at present. Bisitahi si tiyo mo. That means visit your uncle. Bisitahi si tiyo mo. Nabisitahan niya ang mga masakit nga bata, which means he or she paid a visit to the sick boy or boys or children. Bisitahi ang humay kung madamo ang mga maya. Bisitahi ang humay kung madamo ang mga maya. This means go and inspect the rice field to see whether there are many maya birds there. Bisitahi ang humay kung madamo ang mga maya. Pabisitahi siya sa mediko. Pabisitahi siya sa mediko. This means let a doctor examine him or her. Pabisitahi siya sa mediko. And that is all about our Hiligaynon word for the day. Bisita, which means a visitor, guest, to visit, pay a visit, call upon, go to see, examine, or inspect. If you learned something new from this video, please don't forget to click like, leave a comment, and subscribe. Moreover, you might also want to watch the next video on the screen. Maraming salamat, thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.